Hi, I'm Cathy O'Shia with New Age Industrial. I'd like to talk to you about our specialty racks. At New Age, we have a rack for every application and every vessel or container that you would use in food service. So we're always happy to customize for you, but I'd like to show you a few examples. This is our insert rack. This unit goes inside a reach-in refrigerator or freezer. It's designed to increase your storage capacity. Normally in a reach-in, you'll have 1 or 2 shelves, and that's it. So this allows you to add storage for multiple sheet pans and half-size sheet pans. So it's a great asset and increases your storage dramatically. We also have this in a half size. This is our polybox rack. This unit is designed with C channels so that you can store your polyboxes and not be concerned about them pulling them out and tipping them. It also allows you to store these with the lid on. On these racks we have the fully welded tube for bracing. We also include the gussets in this particular rack in this direction. This helps keep with stability and squaring when you're transporting the rack fully loaded. These racks also have our plate casters, which again increase the durability and the longevity of the rack. One of the unique features of the New Age plate caster is that we weld a plate to the bottom of the rack or the cart, and then we're able to bolt the caster into that plate. And what this means is that you're not bolting directly into the tube or the frame of the rack or the cart itself, and it offers much more durability and longevity because eventually those screws with transportation and rolling the rack around will make the hole bigger and they fall out. That's what a stem caster rack does. But these, we've welded the plate onto the bottom of the cart or the rack, and then we bolt the plate caster into that caster plate. Our next rack is the combo rack. This rack is similar to the polybox rack, but allows storage for full-size 18 by 26 sheet pans. So again, it just gives you more versatility and flexibility in your racks. So it gives you the same welded tube bar, the same gussets, same platform casters for durability. It just gives you a little more flexibility or versatility. Lastly, I want to show you the steam table pan rack. This is the double deep version, side loading. It allows you to put 2 steam table pans in it front to back. This unit is a workhorse. This is, if you store your food in steam table pans, this is the rack you want, or our model with a singular one that goes end loading. But the reason is that a lot of facilities use a sheet pan and then put a steam table pan on top of it. Well, you're using wasted space. You don't need a rack that holds a sheet pan. You need a rack that holds a steam table pan. So this allows you to do that and eliminate wasted space in the walk-in cooler in your storage. So this one also has the fully welded bracing and the gussets. Plate casters, again, 5-year warranty, gives it incredible durability and versatility. As always with all of our racks, we're happy to customize them for you and create a custom unit based on your specific needs. For more information, email us at sales@newageindustrial.com or check out our website, newageindustrial.com.